Welcome to EM Gateway Tutorials. During this webcast, we will cover how to log into your EM Gateway issuer account, as well as how to complete your issuer profile. First, you're going to want to log in as an issuer on the EM Gateway interface. This is the issuer account area of the system. This brings us into our issuer dashboard. As you can see, there are already several mock investment postings uploaded to the dashboard view. You can also see the investment postings that have now been newly activated. As an issuer, you will be able to view the most recent additions, and on the right-hand side, you can review latest news and upcoming events. As an issuer, there are a couple of things that you'll want to take note of. Issuer investment postings. Here you can view all of the postings on the list, including all of the postings that you have inside of your own issuer account, all of your own investment opportunities. If you look down the left-hand side, each one of them has a different status. We can order these by minimum investment or using whatever criteria we need to. The list of criteria to choose from will grow as content on EM Gateway grows. Your issuer dashboard can display 5, 10, or even 25 investment postings to a page if you so choose. In order to begin creating postings for your company, you will first need to complete the Profile Manager section of the site. Click on the Profile Manager tab. Depending on what role you are in the industry, you may be an issuer, an EMD, a dealer rep. You can choose to have all three roles if that is what your business model requires. The system is designed to handle multiple roles. Your username and email will already be in place as entered during your profile creation upon first joining EM Gateway. Now add a first and last name, which are mandatory fields, and a phone number if you so choose. You will note this is a place where you can also change your password. Next, you will fill in the general corporate profile details. Information such as your corporation name, date of incorporation, corporate website, and a link to the corporate profile you may wish to highlight. Your corporate compliance contact is important so that we know who to contact, as do your consumers if they have concerns. There is room for a secondary contact person as well as some mandatory fields related to your corporate location. On to issuer details. Here you will have an opportunity to note how long you've been an exempt market issuer, who your top corporate officer is, in addition to details regarding if you use an EMD and pay them commission, which jurisdictions you are registered in, as well as those you are currently conducting business in. Click on Update Issuer Details. Okay, that's it. Your account is now ready to be used as an issuer. Thanks for watching EMTV.